Want to turn $100 into $1,000 using Binance Spot Trading? Whether you're new to crypto or looking to refine your trading skills, this step-by-step guide will show you how to trade smartly, manage risks, and maximize profits. Stay tuned, and let's dive in. Before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly understand what Binance Spot Trading is. Spot trading simply means buying and selling cryptocurrencies at current market prices. Unlike futures trading, where you trade with leverage, spot trading is straightforward. Buy low, sell high, and keep your profits. To get started, log into Binance, navigate to Trade, and select Spot Trading. Here you'll see different trading pairs like BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT, and many more. We'll focus on simple strategies that work for beginners. Not all coins are good for trading. The key is selecting coins with high liquidity and trading volume. BTC and ETH are safe bets, but if you're aiming for faster gains, look at mid-cap coins with strong price action. Use Binance's trending section. Check CoinMarketCap for volume and market trends, and avoid coins with extreme volatility unless you understand the risks. Now, let's talk about strategies that can grow your $100 into $1,000. 1. Scalping. This involves making multiple small trades daily, taking advantage of small price movements. Perfect for fast profits, but requires attention. 2. Swing trading. Buy and hold for a few days or weeks, selling when the price reaches your target. Great for those who can't monitor the market 24/7. 3. Breakout trading. Identifying key resistance levels and entering trades when prices break out. A powerful strategy for capturing big moves. For beginners, I recommend starting with swing trading and gradually testing scalping with small amounts. Profitable trading is not just about making money, it's about protecting what you have. Here are 3 key risk management tips. 1. Set stop-loss orders. Always set a stop-loss to limit your losses if the trade goes against you. 2. Use the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your total portfolio on a single trade. 3. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your strategy. Don't panic buy or sell due to sudden market movements. Most beginners lose money because they trade emotionally. Stay disciplined, and you'll see consistent growth. Let's walk through a real example. Suppose you start with $100, trading a coin with 5 to 10% daily volatility. 1. Buy a coin after a pullback at $100. 2. Sell at a 10% gain. Now you have $110. 3. Repeat this 10 times, and your $100 turns into over $250. 4. As you gain confidence, you can scale your position size and compound your profits. This simple approach, combined with patience and discipline, can help you reach $1,000 over time. And there you have it, a beginner-friendly approach to growing your portfolio from $100 to $1,000 with Binance Spot Trading. Remember, success in crypto trading comes with practice, risk management, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto trading tips. See you in the next video. Happy trading! Please subscribe to my channel and press on bell icon for more informative videos. Crypto free signals, join my WhatsApp channel. Link in description.